let's talk about average versus instantaneous velocity. Now, I want you to notice that I've drawn this picture to the right of the page over here. Feel free to pause the video and reproduce this picture yourself. Okay, so we've got our x-axis and our y-axis, and this blue curve represents our function. So actually, the function s of t is usually denoted the position function. Okay, and it gives the position of an object along a coordinate axis at any time t. So I want to emphasize that s of t is our position function. We should probably label the axes of our curve. So the y-axis is going to be position, and the x-axis is going to be time. And this green line is going to be the secant line connecting the 2 points A, S of A, and T, S of T. So we can define the average velocity of an object over this interval from A to T as the following. The average velocity is going to be equal to S of t minus S of a, that's the difference in the y values, divided by t minus a. So right away, I hope that we all notice that this is just a slope. So another way of framing this is that the average velocity is the slope of the secant line between the 2 points A, S of A, and T, S of T. Okay. So the instantaneous velocity of an object at a particular point, at a particular instant in time, call it t equal to a, this is going to be equal to something a little bit different. What we're going to do is we are going to take our s of t minus s of a divided by t minus a, so that's just the average velocity formula. What we want to do is we want to move this t closer and closer to a. So, so the way that we express that is we write this as the limit, so we put the LIM to the left. We're going to put t and then a little arrow and then a, and this part right here means we're taking the limit as t approaches a. So this is the limit as t approaches a. In this process of letting x or t approach a in an expression is called taking a limit. Now, most often, we're going to have f instead of s, but we use the letter s specifically when we're talking about position, so I've phrased everything in terms of s. But we're going to use a f in the, for a lot of our non-position / velocity questions. All right. So this concludes our video on average and instantaneous velocity. We'll discuss this more in class. Take care, everyone.